Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Jeep Wrangler quieter. We'll start by identifying the main culprits behind that road noise, like the soft top or hard top, and even the tires. Then, I'll guide you through selecting the best sound-deadening materials, such as butyl rubber mats or closed-cell foam, to tackle those specific areas. You'll be surprised how much difference a few strategic applications can make for a more peaceful ride. When choosing sound deadening, consider butyl rubber mats for vibration control on metal panels. These are great for doors and floorboards. For airborne noise, closed-cell foam is your friend, perfect for filling gaps and absorbing sound waves. If you need a serious sound barrier, mass-loaded vinyl is a heavy-duty option that can significantly reduce road and engine noise, especially under carpets and in cargo areas. For successful installation, preparation is key. First, thoroughly clean all surfaces where you plan to apply sound deadening to ensure proper adhesion. Next, carefully measure and cut your materials to fit each section precisely, avoiding gaps. Finally, apply firm, even pressure across the entire surface of the material to ensure it bonds securely. This attention to detail will maximize the effectiveness of your soundproofing efforts. Beyond sound deadening, consider upgrading your tires to a quieter tread pattern, as tire noise contributes significantly. Also, inspect and replace worn weather stripping around doors and windows to seal up any air leaks that let noise in. These small changes can make a big difference. And hey, for those looking to simplify their life, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.